Super excited to be revisiting San Miguel and do some camping. Some major off-roading going on. You take a side route. There are really so many nooks along the trail. There's just tons of people here, and you wouldn't know it if you're just walking down the trail. If it wasn't for the voices and or the music or the smell of the barbecues going. The ocean's just sitting right there, and yet I'm in the shade. I made it past all this debris here. The cove I've been looking for. Let's see how the night holds up. It's that base camp here. No other place like this place. So this must be the place.